Zachary.
Good morning.
It's my new best on 2x2, 1.5 seconds.
Wait, is that a world record?
Oh my gosh. To explain, Ethan was just solving his 2x2 cube.
And I said, Julian, look, because I thought it was going to be a good solve, and I didn't know it was going to be my best solve ever. So Julian was watching.
Yeah, I did watch.
Very cool. All right. They're going to youth group. Ethan is supposed to be going to a Cubs game, but
Did it get rained out?
it hasn't gotten rained out yet. They think it will get rained out, but it has not been called off yet. So, I don't know if they're going to be leaving soon or what, but yeah. They just delayed the game. And Horatio and I are going to the store. Wow. Yeah. Today must be tortilla day because they're warm. Final clip.
Final clip.
All right. So Ethan and Mom did not go to the Cubs game, and the Cubs game did not get canceled. So, I know. But I'm pretty sure they would have been miserable because it was like raining most of the time. I'm sure everything was soaking wet. So, that's good. But I think they got tickets for tomorrow's game. So that might change everything that we had planned for tomorrow. So yeah, I will check back with you tomorrow. So until tomorrow.
Until tomorrow.